Struggling to get views on your YouTube channel? You're not alone. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. I'll be using one of my smaller channels to demonstrate the exact strategies I use to grow my channels, including one that has over 17,000 subscribers. Before we dive in, make sure to watch till the end because every step matters. Missing even one could mean missing out on thousands of potential views. Let's get started. Step 1. Optimizing your YouTube homepage first. Let's look at how your homepage is set up. A well-structured homepage increases the chances of YouTube recommending your videos. Go to YouTube Studio Customization. Here, YouTube recently made changes. Now we have the profile and home tabs. Your banner and profile image should be professional, but today we're focusing on how to structure your homepage for maximum views. A pro tip: add your sponsorship email in the description so potential sponsors can easily contact you. In Step 2, setting up your featured and trailer videos. Your homepage should immediately tell visitors what your channel is about and encourage them to watch more. Channel trailer. This video introduces your channel to new visitors. 2. Featured video. This is for returning subscribers to keep them engaged. How to set it up. Click Add section, Channel trailer. Select a video that best represents your channel. Do the same for your featured video. When people visit your channel, they'll see these videos first, giving them a reason to stay and subscribe. In Step 3, activating YouTube's For You recommendations. This is a game changer for getting more views. On your Home tab, toggle on the For You feature. This allows YouTube to recommend videos based on a viewer's watch history. You can also customize what's shown: long-form videos, shorts, or live streams. Make sure to select All Content Recommended to maximize reach. When a viewer watches one of your videos, YouTube will start showing them more of your content, keeping them engaged on your channel longer. Step 4. Displaying popular and categorized videos. Make your homepage visually appealing and easy to navigate so viewers stay longer. Add a popular videos section to highlight your best content. Organize videos into categories like quizzes, tutorials, or trending topics. How to do it? Click Add section, Popular videos. Click Add section, Single playlist, to organize videos into topics. The longer someone stays on your channel, the more YouTube will push your videos to a wider audience. Step 5. Featuring other channels. Grow your network. If you have multiple channels or collaborations, this feature is gold. Click Add section, Featured channels. Add your secondary channels or partner channels. When visitors see your additional channels, they're more likely to subscribe to all of them, growing your network faster. Step 6. Essential YouTube settings for more visibility. Now let's tweak some back-end settings to optimize your channel. Go to Settings, select your country so YouTube knows where to recommend your videos. Set your audience, whether your videos are for kids or not important for compliance. Upload default. Add preset descriptions, affiliate links, and video links for cross-promotion. Select the right video category: entertainment, education, gaming, etc. People use advanced search to find videos. Choosing the right category helps YouTube recommend yours. Final thoughts: your YouTube growth blueprint. By implementing these simple but powerful settings, you'll increase your chances of getting recommended by YouTube, boost engagement, and ultimately grow your channel faster. Now it's your turn. Try these strategies and let me know in the comments which one made the biggest impact on your views. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next video. May